Good day, students. You are welcome to this class again. Last period, we were looking at work, energy, and power, and we looked at the first part of it, which is work. So today, we want to look at energy. Our lesson objectives for this class will be: 1, define energy, identify the types of energy processed by a body under given condition, distinguish between kinetic and potential energy, identify energy transformation from one form into another. And the last objective is state the law of conservation of energy. Okay? Definition of energy. What is energy? Energy is defined as the capacity or ability to do work. Energy is measured in joule, just like work done the last period that we did it. We said it's measured in joule. Energy is also measured in joule. Anything that is capable of doing work, you know that it has energy. For example, if I'm able to carry an object, a heavy object, it means that I have energy to actually carry out the work. Then examples of energy. One of the examples that a student running around the school field, that's one of the examples. He has energy, that is why he's able to do that. A man that is capable of moving his weight some distance also possesses energy. There are many forms of energy, and these include light energy, chemical energy, heat energy, mechanical energy, and so on and so forth. But in today's class, we are going to be looking at mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is divided into two forms. Number one, we have kinetic energy, and the second one, we have potential energy. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the body due to the virtue of its motion. And it is given as Ke is equal to half mv squared. The Ke there is standing for kinetic energy. The m here is the mass of the object you are considering, while the v is the velocity of the object. Then what is potential energy? Potential energy sometimes can also be referred to as stored energy, and it can be defined as the energy possessed by a body due to the virtue of its position. And it is given as E is equal to mgh. The m here is the mass of the object, the g here is the acceleration due to gravity, and the h here is the height of the object. Now, don't forget, kinetic and potential energies are both measured in joules. Energy transformation. What do you mean by energy transformation? What we mean by energy transformation is energy can be transformed, can be changed from one form to another form. Don't forget, I told you we have so many forms of energy: mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, and so on and so forth. So you can actually change this energy from one form to another. For example, consider this. Electric iron converts electrical energy into heat energy. When you plug your electric iron to the socket, then you discover that it will give you, there will be heat, it will produce heat energy. Then another one is generator. The generator used at home converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. The law of conservation of energy. What do you mean by law of conservation of energy? It says that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. That is, energy you are trying to create is also the one you are destroying. So, now look at this. Look at this example. An object that is falling from this height. The potential energy of this object, because it's at rest, is look at this, is maximum here. Why the kinetic energy is 0? Because it's not moving. And the height h is the distance of the object from the ground to this point. Now, look at this point. You can see that the kinetic energy increases while the potential energy decreases as it's falling from this height. Then look at this point. When the object gets to the ground, discover that the kinetic energy becomes maximum while its potential energy is 0. Then look at another one, which is simple pendulum. This is simple pendulum. This is the highest point of the swing, and you know that there is an height here, height h. Then look at this one also, there is an height h at this point. So at this point, there is a maximum potential energy here, while the kinetic energy is 0. The kinetic energy is 0 here. Potential energy is maximum. At this point, the kinetic energy is maximum, while the potential energy is 0. Then at the other point, the extreme end, the potential energy is maximum, while the kinetic energy is 0. And this is what we call the law of energy conservation. So I want you to go through your notes, read your notes, look at the class tasks given to you, and do it and turn it in. Thank you.